This PechaKucha style video will give a brief outline of the main points on whether digital technology alters humans and whether any change is positive or negative. Sue Palmer argues that digital technology is altering humans. She raises concerns that digital technology is affecting humans' language with the increased use of slang words. Palmer argues that texting could lead to possible issues with pupils' schoolwork in regards to using unpunctuated, shortened and abbreviated words. Palmer also believes that technology can have a beneficial effect on the older children, as technology can open new pathways and increase knowledge, becoming a vital learning aid. That being said, she believes that there is no reason for very young children to be using too much technology and developing the skills required for this. Smith and Swain argue that when pupils are texting in the classroom, they are not paying attention to the lesson or the teacher. They also argue that technology such as mobile phones can disrupt pupils' focus within school due to texting, apps and games. The constant use of phones can lead to sleep deprivation, which can further affect schoolwork. In all walks of life, technology is becoming an easy replacement for physical interaction. Coburn stated there are concerns that in today's society, young people are being brought up being cognitively unprepared to think critically with reduced attention spans. However, it is beneficial that technology is enabling humans to overcome physical adversities. Human X Design have developed a set of moral principles relating to the field of augmentation. These are promote freedom and responsibility, promote public beneficence, promote responsible stewardship and promote justice. By this, Human X Design promotes that it is the individual's choice to partake in using technology which alters any changes to their body. Technology can have a positive effect on humans' well-being, having the choice of pacemakers, implantable chips and bionic limbs. This can allow a sense of independence by having a missing body part replaced or function restored to the body. As technology has developed, it has enabled a greater benefit of allowing humans to fully restore daily tasks that weren't possible. Overall, it was seen that there are many benefits of technology altering humans. However, there are equally many disadvantages. Ultimately, it is how humans perceive and use technology as to whether it is used for good or bad. Technology itself can be neither.